Hello everyone, this is the look for today. I actually used my nude palette from Huda Beauty. Girl, I'm obsessed. Okay, and in this video I only did the eyes, and it does last so long because I talk a lot in this video. This hair is from Klaiyi hair. I've worked, girl, let me just get situated. I have worked with Klaiyi hair before. I have, okay? Now, I tried doing baby hairs. Oh, I tried is what I said. So it didn't work out that way. But I tried. And yeah, this is their straight hair, Malaysian straight. This is giving me like emo vibe. This is a comb over thing. So this is their Malaysian straight, 14 inches, as well as two 14-inch bundle, one 12-inch bundle, and a 12-inch frontal. Straight Malaysian straight. I colored the hair using basic white and 40 volume developer. I bleached the knots using the same mixture of basic white and 40 volume developer. And yeah, and I said it's the same mixture I used to bleach one of the bundles, or of the 14-inch bundles, but not all the way up, just like one like closer to the tip or whatever. What else do I have to say? I've worked with Klaiyi hair before. I love their company. Their hair, the customer service is on point. If you have any other experience, reach out to me personally. I'm gonna get it sorted. Okay, not really, but at least I'm gonna know. I'm gonna know what's going on. Isn't this cute? Look at my hair, just doing a damn thing. My Klaiyi hair be like, girl, you need this like. So I'm like, yeah, girl, I know I do, boo boo. Anyway, so this is it for this intro. This is it for this intro, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I can't wait to see you. No, I won't be seeing you, but you'll be seeing me. Can you imagine if I was actually seeing you in my videos? Because I know some of y'all can watch it naked. Shoot, I watch naked sometimes. But this is it for this intro. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, so I already have my foundation on, brows, glow, lips, everything, and I'll be redoing my lips, as in making it brighter or whatever. But I really I don't think y'all understand, man. Like, I'm just gonna just one more time on camera, just one more, okay? Just one more, okay? This palette has completely exceeded my expectation. I didn't even know the palettes could do the things this palette can do. So this is the Huda Beauty new nude palette. These are the colors. Okay, so, and it has a mirror, thank God. Let me take this film off because I have been using this mirror. Alright, so I'm going to start off with let's kick it off with Teddy. Can I use this brush? Can I? Okay. So Teddy is this color right here, and let's put that in my crease. So the reason for me doing this video is because I always have videos on my channel like start to finish, full look, stuff like that, and I just wanted to switch it up one. And because I already have my foundation on, I didn't really do anything on my eyes. Just like, yo, let me just film a video, just like do my eyes, and then I can talk to you guys. So I have hooded eyes. Oh, and for my brow bone, I'm going to link the video that I did this look is like a foundation look and stuff. But for my brow bone, I actually used the Huda Beauty again, Blondie loose powder for my brow bones, as I did. So right, so I can actually talk to you guys about just, you know, how to do your eyes having hooded eyes. Now I have hooded eyes. Now what do we mean by hooded eyes is that if I have color in my eyes, if I'm looking straight at you, it's not visible. When I look down though, it can actually see the full spectrum of everything. So that's one of the criteria of having hooded eyes. Also, having hooded eyes is when like the lid, the fold of your eyes, it literally falls on your lid, creating like a little hood. Okay, so I use a fluffy brush just to get that color all over. See that? It's nice. These colors pick, and look at how light it is, and it's showing up on my skin. I am so thankful for the the color payoff of this palette, it is really, 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 really good. So next, let's go in with Raw. And I'm putting that on the crease. Now I'm using a dome brush. You see it's a little bit misshapen, but it's actually a dome brush. Sorry, it's actually a tapered brush because it kind of comes to like a little point. So it's a tapered brush, and I'm using the side. But the reason I'm using the side is because I just want like a hint of color, like a wash of color. It's not necessarily like full on color. I just want something in my crease to kind of give me a little bit of depth, and I'm patting it in as well to further give my eye some depth. So I can see the difference between this eye and that eye. I'm going to go in using the tip of the brush and pushing that, patting that on in my crease. So the reason why I'm not going back and forth is because I don't want to remove any color. I just want to place the color. So do the same thing for the other eye. And tell me if you like these type of videos, you guys, where I'm actually just talking you through the steps. I could do the same thing for my foundation. I could do the same thing for lashes, but it would be like a shorter video. So look at me now. I'm actually patting it all over my crease, and then because I applied some color on the tip of the brush, it's actually going right under my brow bone as well. This is beautiful. I'm just patting it on. So for my brow bone, I'm actually going to be using Klaiyi, and I'm not touching the brush. I'm going to use the tip of the brush, and I'm going to apply Klaiyi. The reason why I'm not touching the brush is because this is a dome fluffy brush, and again I just want like a wash of color. I don't want to place anything. I just want a hint of that color up there because I already set my brow bone, but I just want a hint of that color. By the way, if you're obsessed over my glow, because I completely am, I use a 3D highlighter palette from Huda Beauty, and I used this color here, this cream. Then I went in with Bora Bora. So I went in for Barbados, then Bora Bora. Yes, girl. I'm saying I have to switch up accent. I'm taking them calling me, and I cannot talk normal. Normal is unacceptable. Hooky dokes. So next, I think I'm going to be using Love Bite. I love Love Bite. I love that color. And I honestly wish we had deeper colors in this palette, but I get it. 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 It's the color scheme. Damn. What you want? Like a deep ass purple? It's the color scheme, boo. Oh, it's so aggravating. I'm just patting it on. But look on this now. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna switch over the brush then. So I'm gonna switch brush. Plat out. It's a oh gosh, my head. It's a flatter brush, as you can see. It's flat. I'm gonna go ahead with Love Bite again. I'm gonna place it in my crease. Do you see the difference? Are you seeing it? I really hope you are, because off camera it's quite apparent, it's quite clear that it's just a little bit more vibrant. It's a little deeper than over here. Can you tell that? Alright, let me just, I'm going to tip of the brush and blend out just the top lightly, because I can see a line there, and I want no line there. Oh, line I go. And again, I'm focusing this in my crease on the outside, and the crease is where I feel that sink. Putting it there. Gosh, I'm so in love with this palette. I was putting it down, honey. Yes, boo. See, it's giving me the depth. Then take the tip of the brush, and I'm kind of like feathering out the edges. Okay, so now let's move into something, because I really want to use some of those bold colors. So I'm going to be using, let's use this instead. So this is my LA Pro primer in white. and I'm going to line. Oh my god, I can definitely, can I do that? No. Okay, so I'm going to apply this all over my lid and above my lid. So what I mean by above my lid is my lid ends where the crease is. So I'm applying, I don't know if you can look at my eyes and see like where there's that crease. See that crease? That's my hood. So I'm applying the color over my hood. LA Pro Primer in white. See that? Perfect. Then I'm going to take my finger and just tap to blend it out. Now I don't know how good this is with creasing, but it feels as if it's going to crease. So when you're blending this out, try to remove as much as the product as possible, meaning try to get it on your fingers or your brush or whatever you're blending it out with, so that it doesn't crease as quickly. Alright, so then we can't use the same brush here. Just gonna do this to it, brush it off a bit. Let's do that. Same brush I use for my crease, just gonna clean it off. And then I think I want to take Infatuated. Let's go there. Let's go there. Infatuated. Let me apply this with my fingers, see if it makes a difference. Wow. Y'all are not seeing this, but this is like glitter on my eyes. See that? That's that glitter on my eyes. Let me see what it looks like when I use the brush. Oh my gosh, it is coming off glitter when I use the brush too. Alright, so okay. These are like pressed glitters. Was this in the PR announcement? I didn't know. These are pressed glitters. These are pressed glitters. Oh my god. Okay, so I left this little white area open. I'm actually going to be going in with Crave, right? And it's this color right here. Crave. And I'm using my fingers to apply Crave in my happy area. And I'm just going in, tapping off. Yes? Good. So, put that there. What's the cover? Where's my thing? Put that there. Then I'm going to go in, and I did it in the last tutorial, but I just want something over here to balance it. Just a little bit deeper. So I'm going with my LA Pro Primer in black. Putting it right here on the out of this side. Oh, let me do this. Let me do everything. Okay, I do that for you. I make it spicy, yes? I make it spicy for you. Do a little bit of everything. Nothing too dramatic. Going over on the pressed glitter. Just blending it out there. Okay, there we go. See, nothing too dramatic. Then I'm going to almost something then. Alright then, yeah. I'm going to use I'm going to, oh gosh, it's not even clean. It's a double-ended brush. But then I'm going to be going in with, again, Love Bite. It's Love Bite there. I'm going to be patting it on the black. So the reason why I did not put the white here and put the black is because I wanted to bring out the depth in the color, and I want this area of my eyes to be a little bit darker. See that? So that's what I wanted to do. So that I do. I never want, you see, if I put the white now, the white should I bring up the color and it show it up in a pretty little way, but not that I want the darkness in it, is it? That way I pray. So I'm going to take what's on the brush and feather it onto the glitter, the pressed glitter. Lot of God, this look up. This look upish. I could just clean up right to some. Pray for the eyes. Yes, girl. Yes, I'm going to go back in with Infatuated and just put back. Yeah. Ooh, look at me. Look at me doing that thing. Ooh, look at me doing that thing. Hey, look at me doing that thing. Hey, hey, hey. So, what I'm going to do now is a bit of cleaner because it looks a little bit shabby. So, I'm going to take my cream that I used to do my brows, brush that I used to do my brows, and then I'm going to kind of wipe it off at the side to remove some of the product and also to kind of flatten the brush. Then I'm going to, can I zoom any more? No. Alright, so then I'm going to zoom in edit. I'm going to do this here. See that? Nice and clean, innit? Then I'm going to go under here. Do you see that? Do you see the sharpness it's creating? What, you thought I was playing with you? You thought it was a game? No, it's not a game. It's not. Can we play a game? It's not that. It's not what that is. It's just not. So I'm just blending out the hedges. Yes, girl. What was that? Oh my god, you have tension alopecia from me snatching your edges? Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Alright then. Then I'm going to take one like a fluffy brush and just get rid of the fallouts. Just look it-ish. But my man, what? Oh, alright. That me at all. Come in, girl. So then now, we're going to go again, LA Pro Prime Black. Almost something there. Then now, wait, yes, girl. Yes, no, girl. Like this girl. Then I'm going to take a shorter down brush or a pencil brush. And I'm going to blend out the edges. Honey has to blend out the edges down. Let it go. Let it go. What? You know, let it go. Oh. That was blind. I wasn't blind. And I'm going to be going in. Oh my god, should I do glitter for the bottom lashes? Girl, I think I should. Alright, I need working. So just get your brush damp. Then I'm going to be using Excite. Oh my god, it's picking up so good. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Okay. Can you see it from there? I doubt you can. But it's good. Okay. Ooh. Oh, and then I'm gonna just go do some la-da-da. Girl. A ultra be a lyric? No lyric. Girl. My girl is ultra y'all. Ultra y'all. Tell me. Alright, sit down now. I'm gonna add some leches and then fix that yeah. Won't make remember everything because I'm not damn gonna remember everything. But I'm just fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Alright, so to my thing here. Oh, lot of cat. Alright, so this wig is from Klaiyi hair. I mean the hair is from Klaiyi hair, but stop it! This hair is from Klaiyi hair, but I actually made the wig. Oh, I'm going to do my lips. It's nice, huh? Coloring everything. I'm such a professional. Anyway, so I'm going to line my lips with what I did before. So I'm going to be using Espresso. Yeah, Espresso from LA Girl. It's a lip liner. Then I'm going to be using Wifey from Huda as well. And just to, just to spice things up a bit, I'm going to go back in with my 3D highlighter palette. And I'm going to be using, let's use Aruba this time. yes, 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 yes. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. I love it. So I want to know. Let me know what you think about me doing these type of looks where I'm focusing on like one area at a time instead of a full face. You know, I could just focus on lips, front tutorial, eyes, brows, lashes, foundation, contouring, highlighting. Let me know. Like, hook a sister up. What do you want to see? God, I'm beautiful. Makeup does wonders. But, I mean, separate and apart from that, drop dead gorgeous, honey. Okay, this is it for this video, you guys. Again, thank you to Klaiyi hair. Let me just show y'all this, honey. Sorry, I colored it. Lord, I got oh, this looks so trashy, guys. I don't have colored hair care, so I'm just coming to with one. I want to call it rat tail comb. Just call it tail comb. I tried to do a thingy, you know, like baby hair, but it put up. But this is the hair, girl. Here are some other videos that I have conveniently placed here for you guys. This highlight though, where are your glasses? Put your glasses on. Put your glasses on. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell. It is muy importante. You will be emailed every single time I upload videos. If that annoys you, I'm sorry, but you know, click the bell alerts you when I upload, and you can stay up to date with my videos. But anyway, this is it for this video. Huda Beauty, Klaiyi here.